Proper installation is important to make the most out of your air purifier. Make sure to follow these steps and tips to ensure maximum use. Pull open the back panel and remove the filter from the appliance. Then remove the filter from its packaging. Replace the filter into the back panel. Make sure to place it behind the bottom tab and snap it into place at the top. Align the back panel at the bottom and then push it back into place. Place your air purifier on a level, stable surface where air circulates freely. If possible, elevate it on a stable table for more efficient operation. Make sure the air inlet and outlet are free from obstacles. Do not place the air purifier in the corner. The air purifier works best when air is free to circulate around it. Do not place the air purifier too close to the bed in order to avoid unwanted draft. Make sure it is 3 1/4 feet or 1 meter away from the bed. Avoid using the air purifier while cooking strong-smelling or fried foods such as fish. The vaporized oil from the cooking may affect the performance and life expectancy of the filters and may cling to the filter.